live and let live. Live and let live. Ain't got heavy weapons to hand.
No.
It's not necessary, my man. You're not any less of a man. Non-stop stepping, I stand and deliver the best message I can. Yeah. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt, mad noise from the pack. Yeah. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt, mad noise from the pack. Yo. There's mad noise from the pack. Yo, Hootananny's make some fucking noise. Yeah. Neck snappers, let me see ya. Snap your neck, got the famine effect. Connect with the clank, kick back and reflect. Tracks crack from the Mac, the black wax a cassette. Check, you know it's handled correct. Yeah,
you know it's handled correct.
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 You know it's.
You know it's handled correct.
Handled correct.
You know it's handled correct.
Handled correct.
You know it's handled correct.
I swerve left, adverse to the right decisions. Back hurts, trying to grind a living. Cash earned, cash burnt, that's the cycle with it. But that served just to blind my vision. Rap verses and ride the rhythm. Writing lyrics and align it with them. Vibe with my position. I stand firm first in my division. Vibe with my position. I stand firm first in my division. Vibe with my position. I stand firm first in my division. Vibe with my position. I stand firm, yo. Yeah, yo. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt. Mad noise from the pack, yo. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt, mad noise from the pack. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt, mad noise from the pack. No front with the boys in the back. On point with the rap. Flow funk, stand poised to attack. So blunt, mad noise from the pack. Yeah. Slims pickers. Yeah. Slim picking, slips flipping, dim lit, I got the ink dripping. Think different, we just stick with it. Instinct kicking, intrinsic rhythm.
Yo, where the fucking weed at, man?
Ring digits, quick link with him. Visit with the stick in a minute. Clipper clicking and I sink in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I sink in it. Clipper clicking and I sink in it. Yeah. I sink in it. Clipper clicking and I sink in it. Yeah. Slim pickings on the beats, yeah. My thoughts are short aloud. I sort them out, forming clouds with a quarter rounds. Heat it up, I'm cooling out. Supporting crowds talk aloud and let the chorus bounce. Never watered down, yeah. The pure profound force of chords and sound, sure resounds. We leave you falling down, yeah. We leave you falling down. Summer suns in autumn now. Yeah. Summer suns in autumn now. Slim pickers. It's slims pickers. It's slims pickers. It's slims pickers. It's slims pickers. Slims pickers. Yes. Yeah. Hootananny's what you telling me? I'm feeling the vibes already. It's getting warm in here already. Summer suns are in the place. Yeah. You're now in tune to the sounds of summer suns and sea tapping. It's a Lightworks family affair. Everybody that's got a drink in your hand, I need you to raise it up in the air. Yeah. Raise it up in the air. Yeah. Raise it up, let's make a toast, how you feeling? My name is Turt, I'll be your host for this evening. It's fucking cold outside, so we're proceeding. Yeah, we're proceeding to summon in the summer season. We come to get the heat cracking. Yeah. We got my big bro Slim on the beats and me rapping. And we're accompanied by C Tappin. Yeah. That's the man that makes the keys happen. And we're just here to have a good time. Yo. Only pencil on the mic essential. Right outside the stencil. Open minds don't deny potential. Cause every seed hides a forest. Try to forage very deep, find a promise. Divide solids, find divine knowledge. Yeah, and live to the good times.
Listen to the good times.
Deep in the mess. Bring a piece of the peace from the east to the west. Ease in my chest. Breathe deep, be feeding the stress. Feet in my crepes, but feet 53 feet free from their heads. And the streets that I tread, yeah. Let's live to the good times.
Let's look to the good times.
Belly hungry here, my stomach raw. Never nothing in the cupboard door. No munch, no money for a fucking draw. A couple short, feeling rugged raw. I'm poor but it's material. Pouring water on my cereal. But it's all for the cause, pour it all in my material. It's all supporting what I'm here to do.
Cause why do we prioritize all the lies?
Let's live to the good times.
Listen to the good times, look to the eight. Let's refine our lives and be defined by the good times. Let's be defined by the good times.
Skipping school, didn't listen at all. I couldn't kick it with this ignorant fool. What's the point when every day I'm sent to sit in a hall? I'd sit and scribble my initials on every inch of the wall. Then I'd dip and try and tick me a bull. Way back in the day when the zippy was full. Yeah, and the summers were long. Got premonitions, what's coming along. I'm reminiscing when the summers were long. Got premonitions, what's coming along. I'm reminiscing when the summers were long. Got premonitions, what's coming along. Yo, I'm reminiscing when the summers were long. Got premonitions, what's coming along. Yo, the good times.
Listen to the good times. Listen to the good times.
Live to the good times.
Listen to the good times.
Live to the good times.
Listen to the good times.
Live to the.
Listen to the. Let's refine our lives and be defined by the good times. Let's be defined by the good times.
Channel opposites, negative and positive. On this shit, lot of topics that I gotta spit. Ain't my prerogative to swallow it. Hollow pics on the promises and politics. Offer solace if your pocket's split. I'm on my shit, not clocking in the offices. Chung a rocket, lift off from Metropolis. Got it lit on the trip to the top of this. On the trip to the top of this, yeah. Let's live to the good times, yeah.
Why do we prioritize all the lies?
Let's live to the good times.
Listen to the good times, look to the good times.
Who's here to have a fucking good time? Yeah. Vibes, we're warming. Okay, this next one's off our latest album, The Rain. Some of you might know this one. Yeah.
Them damn lemons. Jeez. What you gonna make, Turt? What you gonna make with some lemons, bro?
You know, we've got to make that lemon tea. Turn the bitter sweet. You know how we do, Tap. Little mix and a blend. Yeah. Life delivering the lemons. The lemons. bittersweet. Woo. See tapping on the keys. Slice a little brew of lemon tea. Let it breathe, time delivering the remedy. Light flickering ahead of me. Time simmers bitter energy. Turn the bitter sweet with a bit of zest. Sip of brew, little tea, got me feeling fresh.
Life delivers you lemons, you brew lemon tea.
Yeah.
Meet you next lifetime, yes it's meant to be. Life delivers you lemons, you brew lemon tea. I stir you up in my memory, it tastes bittersweet.
Yeah. I hope my nan's proud. Swear a lot, I'm always danked out. But swear I never let the fam down. Hold my hand out anywhere a man's down. Love my heritage and background, never back down. In my element I stand out. Got the premises packed out. Sedatives, just been leaning, been deep in the mix of the beat, speech leaving in my lips. But speaking of which, I got a feeling I've been needing to itch. Been a minute since I've been with a chick, but one recently I'm feeling and she keep it legit. Got me feeling for the feeling hit deep in the hips. But what's it mean if the feeling persists? Admit I got a feeling I fit with the energy you seem to admit. Shit.
Life delivers you lemons,
Hootananny's what you telling me?
Tea.
Yeah.
Meet you next lifetime, guess it's meant to be.
Yeah.
Life delivers you lemons, you brew lemon tea. I stir you up in my memory, it tastes bittersweet.
Life delivering the lemon sweet. Slice a little brew of lemon tea. Let it breathe, time delivering the remedy. My mother said she'd do anything to keep me and my brother fed. There's no other head that I could ever trust as much. Just the love was enough for us when we were growing up. Know your touch on my back when I was growing up. Every day a better way you were showing us. Every time I needed you, you were showing up. I couldn't show enough love for you to know how much you've really done. Yeah. Really, mum. Signed your second son. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Meet you next lifetime, guess it's meant to be. Life delivers you lemons, you brew lemon tea. Stir you up in my memory, it tastes bitter.
Yeah. Make some fucking noise, people. Big up everybody inside. My name is Turt. I got my big bro Slim on the beats. And make some noise for my man C tapping on the keys. The kid's a problem. The kid's a problem. Yeah, we got some new shit for you.
So, what's the difference between us? Yeah. We got the same heart, the same love. But sometimes it just don't seem enough. Yeah. Should we let go when the shit gets tough?
Myself, how I'm living. Been getting caught up in winning. Less is more, get more for myself when I'm giving. Time will tell, heading for new beginnings. Never letting thoughts settle more than a minute. Press forth, never treading water, I'm swimming. A little ripple till the wave hits the shore. A little drizzle till the rain starts to pour. A little sizzle till the flame starts to roar. I just scribble till the pain starts to cure, yo. A little ripple till the wave hits the shore. A little drizzle till the rain starts to pour. A little sizzle till the flame starts to roar. In the middle, we're the same, yeah, I'm sure.
What's the same with me and you?
What's the same?
It seems we both want to get through. Through the pain into the light. Never give up, this ain't the game, don't lose the fight.
Never give up.
Never give up, this ain't the game, don't lose the fight.
Never give up.
Don't lose the fight. 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 2, 3, 4. It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Still trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
Where my money went.
It's tryna make sense,
But there's nothing left.
Tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Still trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make sense.
Trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
Where my money went.
It's tryna make ends meet, but there's nothing left.
It's C tapping on the keys. Woo. Yeah. Head above the water on my wavelength. Zest the quarters trying to make pence. For bread and water, but my pace spent. They spent treading corners in the same ends. I bet it all kinda makes sense. Head is caught in the same pressure. Let it pour on my wavelength. I bet it all kinda makes sense. Yeah.
What's the difference between us?
What's the difference?
Yes, we got the same heart, the same love.
The same heart, same love.
What's the same with me and you? It seems we both want to get through.
Get through, get through.
Through the pain into the light. Never give up, this ain't no game. Don't lose the fight, lose the fight. No,
Never give up.
lose the fight, don't lose the fight. No, no,
Never give up.
lose the fight, don't lose the fight. No, no,
Never
lose the fight, don't lose the fight. No, no. It's tryna make sense.
how my days spent.
It's tryna make pain.
Trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
How my days spent.
It's tryna make pain.
Still trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make
How my
sense.
days spent.
It's tryna make pain.
Still trying to pay rent.
It's tryna make sense.
Where my money went.
It's tryna make ends meet, but there's nothing left. Brixton, make some noise. What you
Yeah,
saying? What
yeah,
you
yeah.
telling me?
Yeah, we're warming, we're warming. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Meltout crew have put together a fucking heavyweight lineup for you tonight. Yeah. We just gotta give thanks. Yeah. See some paper in my hand and my tank's full. I'm eating great, got my baby in the pram. Lot of reasons to be thankful. See the faces of the fam reach the places that they plan. Get my dank a pull and give thanks for it all. All my people stand tall. Lot of reasons to be thankful. Give thanks every day that the sun shines, and give thanks when it rains sometimes. Give thanks for the work, man, I must grind, and give thanks for the weekend I unwind. Give thanks to the crowd at the show, and give thanks in the cloud of the smoke. Give thanks for the sound of the flow. I give thanks, so proud of my bro. Give thanks every test that I face. Give thanks every step of the way. Give thanks every breath that I take. And give thanks for the rest of my days. Give thanks for the food in the fridge. And give thanks if your two's in a split. Give thanks for the truth, let it live. And give thanks for my beautiful kid. Sheets of paper in my hand and my tank's full. I'm eating great, got my baby in the pram. Lot of reasons to be thankful. See the faces of the fam reach the places that they plan. Give my dank a pull and give thanks for it all. All my people stand tall. A lot of reasons to be thankful. Yeah. Spark the last of my zoom. Up late contemplating fatherhood. No drama, me and my partner good. Feeling calmer on the path I took. Just in a hurry, trying to make a bit of money. Bit of worry, got my baby in the buggy. But every day I'm feeling lucky. I give thanks for it all, yeah.
So
Give thanks.
So
Give thanks, give thanks.
Oh,
Give thanks, give thanks.
so give thanks, give thanks. Oh, so give thanks, give thanks. So give thanks, give thanks. Oh, so give thanks, give thanks. So give thanks, give thanks. Oh, so give thanks, give thanks. So give thanks, give thanks. Oh, so
See Tappin people, fucking hell.
so give thanks, give thanks.
Yeah. What are you telling me, Brixton? What are you telling me? Yeah, 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 yeah. I want to feel some energies. Hype, hype, hype. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. This is for all my troubled sleepers. Yeah. Trouble getting to sleep. In my bubble getting too deep. Heads with the hubble and the moonbeams. Yeah, I'm stepping in the puddles with my 2 feet. Still on the hustle for a few P's. I'm in the rubble, struggling to move free. But feel this, it's real rich in every muscle running through me. Trouble getting out of bed. Drowning in the clouds ahead. Down to rest where my surroundings blessed. But I need to get on, get up, get out and dress. I still kick it on the Shaolin flex. Bounce my neck, but clouds surrounding round my head. I found some zen with the mountain men. Profound effect, preceded by 1,000 steps. Check, check, check. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, run it. Yeah. Hold on to the spirit, hold on. Don't feel it, but you've been around so long. Hold on, just a minute, no long. Nothing really real could go wrong, yeah. Hold on to the spirit, hold on. Don't feel it, but you've been around so long. Hold on, just a minute, no long. Nothing really real can go wrong, yeah. Just hold on. Just hold on, hold on. Just hold on, hold on. Nothing really real can go wrong. Just hold on. To the spirit, just hold on. Hold on. Nothing really real can go wrong, yeah. Just hold on.
Brixton, make some noise if you're feeling it.
Yeah.
Make some noise for Meltout crew. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This next one, I need you lot to go mad. I want to see you getting down to this one. But before we start, I just want to make a very special message. We got one of the family in the house tonight. It's a big birthday. Hold tight, my boy Teddy G. Make some fucking noise.
Boy,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
There since day one.
Jeez. That's family right there. Let's go. I want to see you lot rocking out to this. Yeah, yeah. Get it, Duck it out, I just wanna up and bounce. No love for money, but I'd love to buy my mama house. Trouble now, how account stuck in sub amounts. but we always figure something out. Non-stop plotting, I gotta get mine. Cops with a block of a rock and a red wine. Hot rock dodging, it's rocking my head right. Pop a bottle and get high, yeah. Non-stop plotting, I gotta get mine. Cops with a block of a rock and a red wine. Hot rock dodging, it's rocking my head right. Pop a bottle and get high, yeah. Rock the beat, feel it bang out. Got the heat, still chilling when we hang out. Really real, still spitting what I feel. This is me spitting slang out. We bring the boogie back.
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 Yeah. Turks got to shell. Not LL, but I rock the bells. Rocking Reeboks, not gazelles. Chopping beats up, rock the world. Lot of heat up on the shelf. Got on green, can't stop yourself. Stop watching me trying to clock my wealth. Not a lot of pee, but I got my health. Pot of tea, lot of weed, got my team, and I got my girl. Well, I don't need much else. Yeah, I don't need much else. Yeah, I don't need much else. Tell them.
I don't need much else. I don't need much else. I don't need much. I don't need much else.
Yeah, you know the notebook is fat. On the mat, bro, cooking crack. We on the road pushing that. No looking back, watch the show booking stat. Hoodie's black and a woolly hat. Zookie strap, whole cookie pack. No rookie rap, any neighborhood I'm at. We bring the boogie back, we bring the boogie back.
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 We bring the boogie back. We bring the boogie back.
Bring the boogie back.
Cushion rap.
Bring the boogie back.
Slip cook a batch.
Bring the boogie back.
Swing hooks to tap to bring the boogie back. Bring it back.
We bring the boogie back. Summer suns and
See
sea tap. Rocking all night. Oh, love, no fire
when the beat's fat. Tell them.
When the beat's fat. Bring the boogie back.
Summer suns and sea tap.
Rocking all night.
Oh, love,
no fire
when the beat's fat.
Bring it back,
bring it back,
when
bring
the
it back.
beat's fat. We bring the boogie back.
Summer suns and sea tap.
Rocking all night. Oh, love, no fire when the beat's fat.
Yeah.
When the beat's fat, when the beat's fat, when the beat's fat.
Boogie back.
Summer suns and
Sea
sea
tap.
tap. Rocking all night.
Oh, love, when the beat's fat.
It's all love, no fire with the motherfucking boogie.
Cause sea tap, bring the boogie back. My man Slim, bring the boogie back. You know Turk, bring the boogie back. It's like works, bring the boogie back. Your summer suns, bring the boogie back. Meltout, bring the boogie back. Hootananny, bring the boogie back. Yeah, someone tell me where the boogie at. Cause sea tap, bring the boogie back. My man Slim, bring the boogie back. You know Turk, bring the boogie back. It's like works, bring the boogie back. Yeah, summer suns, bring the boogie back. Teddy G, bring the boogie back. Yeah, Teddy G, bring the boogie back. Yeah, someone tell me where the boogie at. Yeah. Vibes. You lot are going mad. I'm feeling the energies inside. We got a little special one for you now. You might know this. It's by a certain doctor. Yeah. This one for my brothers. Lightworks family tree. West Coast to South Wheezy. Listen.
Listen.
I got the feeling, feel it moving on. The feeling super strong. Never muted long, found the words that do belong. When I wrote this, like I already knew the song. All my blues are long gone, get the music on. Lay the mood upon the groove, then we moving on. See the movement strong, cruise along and keep it looping on and on, yo. Loop the beat till the sun is light. Produce heat on a summer's night. Usually the subtle type, no one for talking till I touch the mic, yo. Plug the cord in, adjust the chord and crush recordings on another vibe, yo. The love's enormous for the ones that come support it when we're coming live. All my cousins and my brothers tight, the same crew, stay straight to my roots. Stay in the booth, stay raising the roof. Statements stay smooth that I lay on a loop. And stay true, ain't chasing the loot. Came to relate the days of my youth and the places that we're taking it to. Stay saying I'm new. Summer sun, stay blazing, it's the way that we do. But every day make way for the moon. We keep it looping on.
Listen, listen, listen.
Listen.
Listen, listen, listen.
We keep it looping on.
Listen, listen, listen. Listen, 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 yeah. Listen, listen, listen.
We keep it looping on.
Hootananny, are you listening?
See Tappin. Wow. I need you lot to remember this name. Yeah. Make some fucking noise if you're feeling the vibes. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna take you back on a little history lesson now.
Tell him, tell him, tell him.
Yeah. I hope you're feeling the vibes, man. We put our fucking soul into this shit. Yeah. Take it way back. Take it way back. Touched the ground as a youngin' in my early days. Mother up and down the pearly way. Them days when both my parents hung. Taking bikes to Candy Aerodrome. Many lessons learned at S&D. Reminiscing on the memories. And plenty nights up in Jeddersfield. Between 5, get a bed and chill. 5 fags down Hayden's Road, pinch a pint can. Looking for a place to smoke. At 16 up in ministry, split a bean, speak at a different speed. College days in the clap red Citroen, running round with them man from Mitchell. Higher still frying at the wire mill, till I switched up to Bristol. Market gate kept busting drawers, but it was bait feds bust the door. Kicked out, moved to Redcliffe, Guinea Street. 12 man in the yard, it was really peak. But barbecuing in the summertime, parties long into the summer nights. Or catch me rapping in Biblos. There weren't a time that the manager was pissed off. Yes, I've been around some bits. Now it's Southwest 1-6. Foundation laid at Nolly's Road. Paved the way out the rocky road. It's 92 till my light is through.
It's 92 till my light is through.
From 92 till my light is through.
It's 92 till my light is through.
92 till my light is through.
It's 92 till my light.
From 92 till my light is through.
92, 92, 92.
Every chapter of my life another track to write. Every chapter of my life another track to write. Every chapter of my life another track to write. Every chapter of my life another track to write. Yo. Some noise for C Tappin. Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Take it back, way back in the day.
Take it back, way back in the day.
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day. Yo, get involved, it's simple.
Take it back in the day.
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day. Yo.
Take it back, take it back, take it back.
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day. Yeah, that's it. Come on, come on. Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day. Yo.
Take it back, take it back.
Don't be shy. Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Let's take it back, take
Come
it
on.
back, take it back in. Let's
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Let's
Yeah.
take it back in the day.
Take it back, take it back, take it back in the
To the
day.
day, to the day.
Take it back, way back in the day, yo.
Take it back, take it back. Let's take it back, take it back, take it back in the. Take it back, take it back, take it back in the. Let's take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Woo.
Let's take it back, take
Yeah,
it
yeah,
back,
yeah,
take
yeah,
it
Brixton.
back in the. Take it back, take it back, take it back in the day.
Summer Suns and Sea Tappin in the house. It's a Lightworks family affair. Yo, we're almost at the end. We're coming to a close. Big up everybody that's been enjoying the set, sending the vibes. We're gonna get into the last one now. Yeah. Penning lyrics on my lunch break. For 20 minutes, no frustration. Getting busy, head is digi for the drum breaks. The sun plays straight, slim and slum tapes. Nothing much changed. Fuck faking the funk, stay straight up. Stay making it bump, chase sun rays. My brightest minutes in the dark with the stars above. Sky's the limit, raise the target up. Write a lyric from the heart and blood, but still I question if I graft enough, yeah. Far from done, we ain't fooling like the autumn leaves. Still feel I'm far from where I ought to be. Never stalling Steve still, cause the water's deep. It's all I talk, breathe, walk and I dream. A small portion, I'm sweet. We about to reach for the stars. It's grounded feet that I plant. We proceed like an ounce to a key to a farm. I want more than pounds and the keys to a car. It means nada, I speak from the heart. Mean every bar, that's how it's been from the start. I'm still about on the street in the dark for inspiration. Yeah. Bounce to the beats, feet leading the path, no hesitation. Yeah. Keeping it calm, no doubt, no dedication. Yeah. No doubt, no dedication. Yeah. I'll take after my father for sure, that's the man I'll be. To the core, the pattern's deep. Targets to stand at least half of the man I see. Task is to master the craft, don't challenge me, bar for my sanity. Never slacking beat, getting at it, see it starting to happen. We wanna take it from the back of a car, rapping the bars to academies. Ain't after the charts or a salary. Can't grasp being part of the fallacy. Wear my heart on my ragged sleeve, art for the gallery. No drama, I can't do it casually. Can't harm, can't damage me. Allow karma to carry me on the path that I travel. Carry me on the path that I travel. Peace. Peace, 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 peace. Yeah. Brixton, Hootanannys, Summer Suns and Sea Tappin in the fucking place. It's a Lightworks family affair. Big up everybody inside. We put our fucking heart and soul into this shit, man. It means the world to us. Yeah, 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 yeah. Make some noise. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Vibes, vibes, vibes. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, we got what time for? One?
Oi, tap.
Oi.
I don't know about this distance today, I'm not gonna lie.
I can't really see you, bro. You might pop down for a quick sec.
I've missed you over there, bro. I've missed you.
It's been a while, fam. Oi, Hootananny, what were you saying? You feeling good? Who's ready for
Yeah,
Coops?
yeah.
Coops in the building, yeah?
Big tapping on the stage. What's going on?
Let's run this shit.
All right, we got one more, I think. Who knows this one?
Hey, hey.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Bounce,
yeah.
bounce, bounce.
Yo. Straight rhymes from the heart. Oh, take time with the art. Vibe with my cousin on the keys. My brother on the beat. Bass lines and guitar. Yo. don't pursue the image.
Never, man, never.
I'd be moving too specific if I knew my limit. Monsoons till I cruise the blue Pacific. It's soothing all my blues and all that's bruised my spirit. Find a loop and flip it, search the word with truth to fill it. My view's infinite, observe the earth and movement in it. Rooted in it, use my lyrics as a route to fill it. Soon admitting that we're smoother with it. Usually kick it with the crew when the moon is vivid. The room is filling with the fumes and rivers. We're producing what the mood is fitting. Resume position here, consuming what the bloom is bringing. Get a suit and fill it, rested in the booth I spit it. Let it loose within it, nothing to prove. I do this music for the feeling. It's a given that I'm giving that in my rap. Bring it back, tap, I need you to sing it.
Fumble in the darkness of the unknown.
Yeah, sing it.
Find the answer lying with the sun's glow. The sons of the summers at hand, so I know.
Yeah, I know.
The path to the motherland will be sure. Hey, Hootananny bounce to bust. Hey,
Bounce, bounce, bounce,
hey, 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 hey. The path to the motherland.
yeah,
The path to the motherland.
yeah.
The path to the motherland. Now
Tell
everyone take a big breath for me. Yeah.
Deep breath. I get stuck in a verse with each pen. I put my love in the words. See sense. Nothing's what the troubles are worth. Nothing's what the troubles are worth. I know karma. I know God. I know Allah. I know what. I know the heart that those got. But don't believe in nothing's all above. I call it love and it's in all of us. A little's enough. It's all love, yo.
It's all love.
It's all love, yo.
It's all love.
You're cool with us.
It's all love.
It's all love.
Yes, it's all love.
It's all love.
Yes, it's all love.
It's all love, yo. Breathing, weeding in the evening, need a feeling deeper than the dream that we believe in. Seeking meaning. If freedom is the key, what are we free from? Yeah, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? Yeah. If freedom is the key, what are we free from? Yeah, what are we free from? Yeah, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? Yeah, what are we free
Freedom is
from?
the key, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? He paved the way with the family. Each step taken so that we can stay ahead of the evolution of the day.
It's all love.
It's ahead of the evolution of the day.
Call it love, it's all love.
Ahead of the evolution of the day.
It's all love.
Ahead of the evolution of the day.
Call it love, it's
If you
all
know
love.
it, join in. Hey. If freedom is the key, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? If freedom is the key, what are we free from? Freedom is the key, what are we free from? Freedom is the key, what are we free from? Yes, Hootananny, what you said?
Yeah.
Hey.
Big up everybody inside. Summer Suns and Sea Tappin, we're out. It's a Lightworks family business. And we're gone.
Hey yo, make some fucking noise! That was Summer Suns and Sea Tappin. Wow, hey brother. Man like to fucking love, man. These are my boys. These are my boys and they're fucking smashing it. Right, we're gonna take you through 1.5 hour. Then we've got Coops. No. I said we got Coops in the building with a full live band. He done a show last year at Jazz Cafe. His first ever show with a full live band. And now he's bringing it here for you. We're gonna vibe you for the next half hour. So get a little drink and vibe with our Meltout crew inside. Come on, let's go.